Hi there, Michiana. Steve Smith, Irish Realty here. And I'm here with my favorite co-host, Theron Maxwell Corman Smith. Theron, can you say hi to Michiana?
I was a little bad, but hi.
What were you a little bad about? What did you do?
I was being bad to brother and mama.
You were being bad to brother and mama?
A little bit.
Oh, well, you're going to have to make it up to them, okay?
Okay, but they said they're sorry.
They said they're sorry, or you said you're sorry?
I said I'm sorry.
Okay, that's more like it. Well, today we've got 4 incredible homes for you guys to see. And so we're pretty excited. This is week 5 of our Homestream television show highlighting beautiful homes in the Michiana area. And Theron is going to be helping me co-host this episode with his Lego guys. And so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and kick it over to Leslie Bibbo, who is at one of the newest developments in our community called Traction HQ. If you have driven down by Notre Dame on the backside of Notre Dame Triangle, if you take South Bend Avenue to Eddy Street on the way to downtown from Granger, you have seen a 4-story steel structure going up in the air, and that is Traction HQ. And Leslie Bibbo is about to give us the world premiere of that project and tell you a little bit more about what's going on. Leslie, take it away over at Traction HQ.
Hi, it's Leslie here from the Steve Smith team. Today I'm out front of Traction HQ. You may have noticed this building taking shape off of Eddy Street near Notre Dame over the past month or so. It is moving along and it is projected to be done later this year. Irish Realty is excited to be part of this project. We are going to be listing 2 penthouses for sale in the future here, but wanted to kind of give you an overview of the penthouses that will be for sale as well as a location. But it is going to be a mixed-use building with office space as well, and the location is killer. We've got some exciting drone footage we're going to actually be sharing with you today as I go over the project. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more information about these penthouses that will be for sale at Traction HQ. There's going to be 2 penthouses on the top floor of the building. Both are going to be around 2,400 square feet. One will have views of the Golden Dome. The other will have campus views, but both will be great options, and they're going to be 3 bedrooms, 3 bath. They're also, in addition to that 2,400 square feet, you're going to get a 500 square foot private outdoor space, which is awesome. I don't know if we even have anything like that in the area. They're really going to mimic something that you would only find in Chicago. There's also going to be reserved off-street parking for the owners. And then the entire 4th floor will have security controlled and monitored by cameras. There's also going to be services that folks might not be accustomed to around here, but again, really trying to embrace that city feeling or what you might have in Chicago or New York. There's going to be things like concierge services and valet trash available to the owners of these penthouses. The concierge service would include things like making sure things are stocked and ready to go when you arrive at the property, if this is going to be a second home for you. Or, checking on your property while you're gone, etc. The units themselves are going to feature higher end appliances. There's going to be 12 to 14 foot ceilings, which is incredible. Hardwood floors, custom tiled bathrooms, soft close cabinets, instant hot water heaters, walk-in closets, and they're going to be an overall contemporary loft style. So just something really similar to like what you're going to find in a downtown Chicago area. But obviously with the view of the Golden Dome. So a really incredible opportunity. These are going to be like nothing that we've seen yet in the Notre Dame area. These are going to be the nicest condos to date that have been built near campus. And there's only 2 of them. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, please stay tuned. It's going to be something that you will not want to miss out on if this is something that you might be looking for. So like I said, guys, stay tuned for more information to come on those penthouses as things move along. We're going to have more information that we'll be ready to share with everyone. I'm going to actually turn it over now to Matt, who's over at 2338 Basin. Thanks.
Thanks, Leslie. And hello, everyone. My name is Matt Cryer, and I'm out at 2338 Basin Street on the south side of South Bend in Crescent Oaks. This home's listed for $269,900. Has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and almost 2,300 square feet. One of the neat things about this house is it is in Penn schools, but it's also in city utilities, which is hard to find as most Penn school homes are on well and septic. Let's go ahead and move inside and check it out. So as we approach the house, you'll notice this house has great curb appeal. Nice landscaping. And one of the first things you'll notice when you walk in here is this accent wall. This adds a lot of nice character to the home. And another impressive feature of the home is this huge dining room space. Lots of natural light in this room. And right around the corner here, we've got the kitchen. You can just see how wide this kitchen is. Stainless steel appliances, lots of space, corn countertops, tile backsplash. This is open to the living room space. There's this large picture window, letting a lot of natural light into the room. This home has a 2-car garage. This is your entry to the 2-car garage, and then right off that 2-car garage is the half bath on the main floor. We'll run real quick down to the basement. Basement is currently unfinished, but it would be a great finishable space if you wanted that additional living space, or just makes for a lot of storage space as well. All right, let's head back upstairs. And before we go on the second level, I want to show you this backyard. Another highlight of the home. Got this really nice size fenced in backyard. You got this tree line behind the home, helps provide some privacy, and a storage set. Should just be a great space for the kids to run around, or if you got a dog. You know, this is fully enclosed, so it'll be a perfect space for a dog or just for the family to hang out. So now we're going to head upstairs. This home's set up with a split concept, so the kids' bedrooms are on the opposite side of the master. Right here at the top of the stairs to my left, you got this loft space, and it can be used as an office or a play area for the kids. And currently set up here is with a little seating space and a TV. So a lot of different options. Or if you really wanted a 4th bedroom, wouldn't take too much work to put a door in there, wall this space off, and add a closet. So definitely could be an option if somebody needed a 4th bedroom. So we got the 2 kids' bedrooms on this end. Both these bedrooms are pretty good size, about 12 by 12. So large bedrooms. And then the hall, we've got the guest bath, full bath. And the laundry is conveniently located on the 2nd level with the bedrooms. And then last but not least, we got the master bedroom. This is a huge room. Let me get a full shot of that. And we've got the dual sink here and the master bath. And the shower. And then this huge closet here. So if you want a large walk-in closet, there's a ton of space in here. Okay, so that's 2338 Basin Street, listed for $269,900. Please reach out to us if you'd like to schedule a private tour.
I'm out here at 833 Ashland in the beautiful Chapin Park Historic District. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Let's get in here and check it out. Come in the front door. We are welcomed with the nice Hardwoods here, all likely original, or much of them. We'll walk into the dining room here. There's really great space here. Keep walking down this hallway. We'll find ourselves into the kitchen here. It has been recently upgraded. Off the back of the kitchen here leads onto the patio. You can see back in that room is the laundry room. Head back this way towards this first floor full bathroom. You could set this room up for a lot of different things. Some really cool built-in shelves. And into the family room here. All right, let's head upstairs. I'd like to note these use of benches, these built-in benches is really cool here. Let's see. The sounds of history, you can hear them. We're going into the full master here. This is a nice sized room. And then right here behind it is a little office space. You could probably easily turn this into a walk-in closet if you so chose. All right. This is the second bedroom. Right across the hallway, we have the third bedroom. We're going to come down this hallway. Off to our right side will be our second floor full bath here. Going through this door will lead us to our fourth bedroom back here. So this is also where there's the back of the house staircase. This door goes down. This one leads up to the walk-in attic, which is currently being used for storage, but really provides a whole lot of extra space. Just a really neat feature to have. Yeah. And that's just a brief glimpse into some of the opportunity out here at 833 Ashland. Steve, back to you.
All right. Thanks, Joe Stanny, for taking us through 833 Ashland. Just love all the homes that we had featured on the show today. And just so many different homes, new construction homes, historic homes with tons of character, penthouse views from condominium flats. Just a really, really cool slate of homes. And so I invite you to continue to stay tuned with us each week as we run down some new and exciting homes and developments in the Michiana area. And T-Bear, do you have any final thoughts this week?
You said talk to this guy.
Talk to the Lego guy? What's his name?
He's Lego Man.
Lego Man. Okay. And where'd you meet Lego Man?
From Brothers Box.
From Brothers Box. How long have you guys known each other?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Maybe for a long time.
How's your health these days?
I don't know.
You don't know? All right.
You're
So
talking to Lego Man or to you?
I'm talking to Theron.
Oh,
Theron, what are we going to go do now that we're done making this video?
I don't know.
Are we going to go get some pizza?
Yeah, and donuts.
Oh, and donuts. Okay, a little add-on. All right. Daddy needs to have a few less donuts.
How long?
Right now. All right, Miss Shanna. Hope you guys have a great week,
Goodbye.
and we'll see you next week.